How to use Instacart for business or bulk grocery orders. To use Instacart for business, you can sign up at their website. So open your browser and type in Instacart Business. You'll find the first link that says products delivered fast to your business. This is easy if you're running a business and you don't want to ever run out again with Instacart Business. You can enjoy groceries and supplies delivered to your business in as fast as an hour, and new business tools that make it easier for you to order. So basically what you have to do is you can tap on the create free business account over here to start creating your Instacart business account. Once you've done that, you can manage your business by inviting colleagues to your business account to coordinate with others, or to create order guidelines like a list of frequently needed items for quick reordering, perfect for bulk or office supplies. You can place same-day orders, schedule future deliveries, and get spending insights as well. So this way you can use Instacart for business by simply using and signing up at their instacartbusiness.com. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.